Hi, I'm Janelle. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to do the most basic crochet stitches, and most crochet projects will use at least one of these, so they're all good to know. I'm going to start with the chain stitch. So for projects that are worked flat, you'll usually start by chaining a certain amount of stitches. Chains are also used at the beginning of rows in place of other stitches, and the number of chains you do will depend on the other stitches in that row. So if your row is all single crochet, you'll start the row by chaining 1. If it's half double crochet, you'll chain 2, and if it's double crochet, you'll chain 3. So let's start with a basic chain. So you're going to take the end of your yarn and you're going to make a slip knot. So you're just going to loop your yarn over and then reach through and grab the working end of your yarn, pull up and tighten. Insert your crochet hook and then pull that loop tight. And then from there, you're going to yarn over your crochet hook, pull it through the loop you just made, and now you've got your first chain. So you're going to just keep doing that for however many number of chains your pattern asks for. So again, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and each one of these counts as a chain. So if your pattern asks you to join your chain, you're going to just take the end and loop it up, and then insert your crochet hook through the first loop that you made, yarn over, and then you're going to do a slip stitch, which means you pull it through the first loop and then you'll still have a loop on your crochet hook, and you're going to pull through that loop as well so that you're left with one, and then you'll have a circle. So from here, I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet, and typically you're going to start by chaining 1. So if you've got a certain number of chains in your base row, we're going to add 1 more. So we're going to skip over the chain that we just made, insert the crochet hook into the next chain, yarn over, and pull through. So you'll have 2 loops on your crochet hook, and then we're going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that's your first single crochet. And then you're just going to continue down the line through each of the loops. So again, you're going to insert through the next loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through both. So then you're just going to continue the same way back through the rest of the chains. So if your project is all single crochet for every row, what you're going to do when you get to the end of your first row is do a chain, turn your work so that you're now working through what was the back, and then you're going to continue on doing single crochet. But for now, because we're working through single crochet stitches rather than chain stitches, is instead of just going through one loop, we're going to be going through both loops of the previous row. So from the top, you can see that there's 1, 2 loops. So you're going to take your crochet hook, go under both of them, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. and then just continue on. So the next stitch up from single crochet is a half double crochet. So for the half double, at the beginning of the row, you're going to want to chain 2. And then again, we're going to turn our project. You're always working from right to left. So for a half double crochet, we're actually going to yarn over before we insert the crochet hook. So yarn over, insert through the first stitch, and then yarn over again, and then yarn over again, and we're going to pull through all 3 stitches. So that's the half double, and we'll just repeat that for the rest of the row. So again, it's yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So the last stitch that I want to show you today is double crochet. So for a row started with double crochet, you're going to want to chain 3. Again, turn your work. So to start double crochet, it's very similar to the half double. So we're going to loop the yarn, insert through the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then we're going to yarn over again, but instead of pulling through all 3, we're just going to pull through the first 2 loops. So you'll still have 2 loops on your crochet hook, and then again we're going to yarn over and pull through. So again, yarn over, insert the hook, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So once you have those basic stitches down, you should be good to tackle any beginner project. Please let me know in the comments down below if there are any other crochet techniques that you would like to learn. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye!